Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering this two-color jersey material tutorial and transform my look in just a few minutes. In today's video, I am super excited to share with you a fantastic way you can achieve two-color airdrop scarf using your jersey material that is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their African fashion game. So, for many of us, styling this jersey material can be intimidating, especially if you are short on time or not exactly skilled in the art of time one. Am I right? You have properly tried watching tutorials online, but somehow it just doesn't seem to work out as effortlessly as the pros make it look. You are not alone, friend. I have been there too. And it can be frustrating when you want to rock that gorgeous airdrop style, but your gele game is just weak. This is a DIY style that is so easy for you to achieve. You see the way I cross my two color material, I tie them together at the back, I bring them forward and cross it to intertwine, and I just make sure I arrange one color on one side. See, I keep one color on one side. I don't want the color to mix together. And see the way I cross it at the back. Now that the hand that left over is not going to go around, I just decided to twist it up together. See the way I'm twisting it up? It is so easy for any beginner to achieve this beautiful two colors jersey fabric airdrop style, guy. This is a simple to buy style, and then I just take that twisted part on top of the already design that we have created, just to make it more look divine and just perfect for any event outing of your choice. And then I just roll in the leftover jersey fabric, that's the gray color, and tuck it in. And guys, oh my goodness, isn't this beautiful, guys? And I want you to rate it on a scale of 0 to 10. How difficult do you think this style is? If you have jersey material, try this style and see how super easy it is. And let me know what you think about this airdrop style. It is super easy and very unique and beautiful, and you will be ready done in no time, and you will look perfect in that your next outing event with this simple method to achieve beautiful airdrops. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any thought or experience with this style, let me know in the comment section. And I love you all. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to give me a follow. I will see you in my next video.